Ghostbusters. So the idea here is that there is a grid. In this grid, somewhere there is a ghost who's hiding. We don't know where the ghost is, but we know there is exactly one. We can make measurements. If we happen to measure on top of the ghost, we don't know that we measured on top of the ghost. All we get is a color back. We get red, orange, yellow, or green back. These four colors, how they show up depends probabilistically on how close we are to the ghost. If we're on top of the ghost, usually we'll get red, but we could get green. It's not, we don't know ahead of time. It's a noisy sensor. If we're further away from the ghost, the probability of red goes down, probability of orange goes up, yet further away yellow will be the highest probability, and then yet further away green will be the highest probability. So let's see if we can find this ghost, and at some point we get one shot at trying to bust it. So we'll just be kind of sensing, and then at some point we say we think we found the ghost and hit the bust action. If we hit it on the correct square where the ghost is, we win, get a lot of points of high utility. If we bust at the wrong square, we lose. So maybe we start out here, green, not very close probably. Red, likely better, but again, we don't know that for sure, so we might want to measure around it. See what's going on here. A lot of green around it, so maybe that red was just a noisy measurement and the ghost isn't really all that close to over there. This looks more promising, where we often get a warmer colored measurement. So at this point we might say, well, yeah, this looks pretty good. It's noisy, but this is likely where the ghost is. We don't want to waste any more time. Let's take our chances and measure. But keep in mind that we just as well saw red over here. That just happened to be a very noisy measurement. Most likely, who knows? We don't know. There's a small chance the ghost is somewhere completely different or where we measured green. But let's try and see what happens. So let's take a bust action. Ghost remaining 0. We got him. All right. So this actually worked out better than it usually works out with a beautiful red square somewhere else where the ghost actually is not. This is what we're after in this lecture, is dealing with these noisy measurements in a better way than just kind of intuitively looking at this and saying, well, maybe it's here, maybe it's there, let's give it a shot.